Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how you can play seed airdrop. Seed airdrop is kind of complicating. I myself, it was quite difficult for me to understand this airdrop until I was able to understand. So I am going to share you this information in order to use seed airdrop very well. Now, first of all, you have to head over to the airdrop by clicking play. It does not take much time. Now, that is the first step you have to do. Log into the Seed Mini app on Telegram. Look, before I proceed, I would like you to kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Remember, Seed is going to be listing this November. So if you have not started mining it or you have not taken it serious, take it serious now. So now let's proceed. First of all, uh, now that you are on the seed airdrop, the mini app, this um, seed counting here means that you are mining. It means that you're mining. So after it has finished mining, it will take 2 hours 57 minutes. Yeah, this is the time it is telling you that it will mine. 2 hours 57 minutes. After that, you can now claim your seed airdrop that you have mined. After you have claimed it, you just click on it to start mining again. Remember, when you're just starting out, seed airdrop always give you small amount of seed. So this means that you have to boost your seed airdrop in order to give you more. In order to boost it, just click boost here. You see boost items, holy water, tree and storage. So just click the tree, then click upgrade, and then you have successfully upgraded. Then click storage, click upgrade. You have successfully upgraded it. Then holy water, this one is a mission. You just have to open the mission in order to complete it. So that is how you keep on doing this. So head back to home. As you can see, your seeding this thing will start increasing. The mining power will increase. So you just, if you want to increase it more, just head over to boom, increase tree, and then increase storage, and then it will be going up faster. Then now, earning does not stop on mining. In order to earn more, just click this inside, and then you will see so many tasks that you have to do in order to gain more seed. It does not stop there. They said add seed to your name, retweet seed news, rejoin alias up. So you just have to click start, and then do all these tasks, and then you get your seed. Remember, as you're getting the seed, always keep boosting your seed in order to get more. That is how it works. Now remember, each day that you log in to seed, you have to click login bonus at the top here. This is it. Just check in our garden, then click login bonus. Login bonus is also important. This is the point you get every day you log into seed. So just head over to the seed, then click on it. You'll be able to claim your daily bonus. Remember, this daily bonus also have streak bonus, and it is very important on this airdrop. Remember that each streak bonus that you complete, it is also a criteria for your airdrop allocation. Remember to always mark presence of your daily login. So you just have to head back. Then you also need to invite friends. Click on the friends section. Then click invite a friend. Just click this button here, and then you copy the link. Head over to social media and share your links to your friends and all that. Any friend you invite, you both get two seeds and 10% of your friends reward. So it is very important that you invite friends. So that is how we did. This is how seed works. Then click the airdrop and then you will see some important things. They say listing November 2024. This is the reason you don't have to sleep on this. And in order to earn seed, you need seed income in farm in and build and bed hunts. The more you bring, the bigger we grow. Your achievement also, seed store, stars and tones, all these things are important. And you also have to add seed to your name. Those things are important. On my next video, I will show you how to add seed to your username in order to qualify for this airdrop. So all these things are important. So this is how you can be able to place seed. Now on this bag, click bag and then you will see the common ones, eggs that you have collected. As you can see here, I have so many uncommon ones and common ones. These things are important on um, the airdrop, and there are also other things them too. So that is it. You can also buy these common and uncommon ones by clicking this market section here. Since they are important for the airdrop, you can just buy one of them if you do not have. Remember, mining does not stop here. You can also click the game section in order to get more seed. By clicking here, you can place spinner eggs. You can luckily earn eggs there. You can also earn seeds on battle seed and all that. So that is how this works. As you're playing, you're getting more. So this is how it works. And ladies and gentlemen, this this is all for now. I've been able to show you how you can mine this thing. So you just have to keep on mining till the listing date. So that is all for now. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.